Alright, the first thing you're gonna do is put butter. And get yourself like a 1 pound beef stew. Alright, for seasoning, we're going to use salt. I like to use the pink salt. And I'm going to use some black pepper. A lot of pepper. Then we're going to use onion powder. So at this time, if you want to add some sort of broth, you can add chicken broth, beef broth. And what you want to do is you just want to add enough, just so it's barely reaching the top of the meat. There you go. See how it's barely on top? A little bit more. There we go. That should be good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to raise the temperature. We want to bring it at high. We want it to start boiling, right? And while it's boiling, let's add our carrots. With the carrots, we're going to add our potatoes, cut up in cubes. See how everything's oversized? That's really our goal. We shall season it again. Alright, so let's go with pink salt. Black pepper. And a little bit of onion powder. Some seasoning of vegetables. Alright. So our goal is to thicken up that base right there. Check it out. So right here is I have cornstarch and water. And you'll have to play around with the mixture. There's not an accurate measurement to it. And then you're just going to pour it in there. Don't pour all of it, just a little bit of it. Right? Just a little bit. Then mix it up and see if that helps. And if it doesn't, you just add more to it.